To get started, go to the first provided link. Click Download for Windows. Launch the executable and follow the standard steps to install Unity Hub. Click Finish and the hub will launch automatically after a while. We're going to be downloading an older install, so click Skip Installation. Now you'll need to go to the second link to get the correct version of Unity. You may have a different version than the one shown in this video, so check with the person who made your model. Once you've found the correct version, click Unity Hub. Click Open Unity Hub. You can just use the default settings. Click Continue. Agree and click Install. You'll be prompted to install Visual Studios. Just follow the standard install steps for that. Now that Unity is installed, locate your files and unzip them. In Unity, click Add Project from Disk. Make sure you're in the root folder. This should have Assets and Packages folders. Click Add Project. Make sure the correct version of Unity is selected. Open the project. Select your model and under VRChat SDK, click Show Control Panel. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Click the Builder tab. There will be a lot of errors. This is probably normal. Click Build and Publish. Populate the fields, then check the checkbox. Click Upload. Your model should now appear in VRChat.